Hey, Munchkins!
Hi guys.
What it is, Wagwan?
What's poppin'?
Y'all already know what it is.
Back with another one.
Sing with it. Big Nacho Challenge. I made it. I said big. When I said big, I meant big, big. Look at that. Just came in from the club.
You gave me like a third of it.
I did. I'm not going to lie about that. Because, you know, sometimes you got to eat. And your picnic got to starve. So the next generation knows what it is to be hungry. And they go hard. Hey. So.
I don't like that too much. But okay.
So. Dear Lord, please bless this food. May you have prepared all those that get to enjoy it. May it be of nourishment and sustenance to our mind, bodies, and souls. In your name I pray. Amen. Let's get to munching and chatting. Oh, yeah. While you're here, right off the bat,
Like, comment, subscribe.
hit that thumbs up.
That's cool.
Let's get it to 15 likes. We're reaching. We got goals in 2019. Happy New Year.
Mm-hmm. You got the comment.
Shout out to Careful Keith. Sorry we couldn't leave, bro. Tom got away. But glad that you were here in my town. Glad you got to enjoy Times Square. I know it was hectic last night in the ball drop and cold, but that's what it is. New York
You know they can carry
in January. It's cold.
Mm-hmm. But
So, but glad you were around. Glad you got to enjoy the city. Hope you got to link your boy. Safe travels. Check him out. Careful, Keith.
you know they couldn't have umbrellas when the ball dropped? Like the first few people?
They couldn't?
Like you were standing in the ring.
Well,
If you're smart tourist, you got a positive.
exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Baby's over here.
This is really good.
Munching on these nachos. Let's see for the third. Complain about a third. You better eat that third and enjoy it. Huh? Everybody got chips. Cause don't worry about it over there. You do your thing with your chips.
I mean, yeah. Oh my god, face mask, guys, because skincare never stops.
There you go. I'm not gonna put one on, but
Support it,
I'm gonna wash off whatever's left of my makeup.
I don't even know how to do that.
I don't either. This is so good. Will she or won't she? I think she will. Because she's coming from a wonderful night out.
Gotta keep that tonight, but we actually have fun.
Went to check tops. Mom had a great birthday. Thanks for the birthday shout outs to Mom. Went up with Bill and took my stink.
Yep.
That is.
So cute.
I am just a type. You be like, hey babe, where we going? What should I wear? 2019, I'm not doing that no more. Cause I knew better, so I should have did better. How come meet me? T-shirt and jeans, so cute. This is like low key the third year, high key the second year. How come meet me on New Year's? We just chilling. And I fell for the okie doke.
And it's a bunch of festivities.
And showed up looking like
average Mavericks.
Oh my god. Who is this young and new dating that's coming out? And jeans and t-shirt. I don't get dressy, sparkly dress and all that. And yes, I will do it up for a New Year's party. But
That was great.
because I'm so used to not doing anything until after the ball drops and, ringing in the New Year's with my mama. Call me what you want. Yes, I raised one. Mama's girl. Understand? So, a couple of years, I was just mentally prepared, like, ooh, it's New Year's Eve. Let me get this dress. Da, da, da. But for the most part, I'm like, hey, babe, where we're going? Come link me. How should I dress? I'm going to dress accordingly. I get there. No one actually knew better. Albeit cute. Not dress for the crowd. I don't like that. I want to dress for the event. Oh, we just chilling. Jeans and t-shirts. Don't look at me like that.
Remember, you gotta show out. No matter the situation.
I still was shining, but I want to shine and outshine those in the same category. You're gonna bring me to no New Year's celebration when I'm dressing for hottest, hottest 90s ensemble. You know what I mean? My bamboo earrings and cross-colored jumper is not gonna outdo your little sparkly dress and heels because we're dressed for two different outdos. Because that's what kids do. That's that teenage energy and
I was trying to take my time, but I kept looking down and it kept looking so good.
never mind a third.
You don't mind a third.
I haven't even gotten through a third of what was left.
Oh my God.
So you done did a third. I'm still not done with my 2/3 or a quarter of my 2/3. You don't finish the whole third.
Can I get some?
Only because as a provider, I'm supposed to say yeah. But as the mother you grew up with, no one loved. And I ain't spill a drop.
That was a real man she did for being Papa. I've been like, what?
I'm gonna eat it all.
Loving you.
Road to 500 subscribers. Click the button. Subscribe.
Click it. Click it. Click it.
Click the bell
Do it.
so you can be notified.
Good time.
And never mind all that stuff around the eyes. You got the orange face. I'm sorry. I was thinking something and then I looked up and I saw her face, so I said something. And today coming home from seeing my dad, I saw something and I ain't say something. Because I was getting off the bus. So I was like, if this turns into a situation, I'm gonna feel bad. But when I came in the house, I turned on the news and wasn't that on the news, so I feel bad. But if I look at the newspaper tomorrow and I see something, I'm gonna feel a little upset.
What you saw?
I saw this guy, like, right as we were getting on the bus, was a select for those of y'all in New York that know. So as we got on the bus, things sat down in like the first set of seats, and I stood up, and then she saw that the person in the first set of two seats, level up. They got up and got off, but there was a guy in the back, and he came and sat there with some bags. So we walked past him and went to the back, and I didn't really pay attention to see if the people that left before him left that bag, but I know he had a lot of bags in his hand. And when he got off, he had bags, but it wasn't a lot like before. And as we got to stop and walk past, there was some bags left there. And I was like, hey, I feel like I should say something. But when I saw it, I was getting off the bus.
It's like, hey, this happened on this bus, but you can't really say anything on the bus because you wasn't focused at the moment.
Can you turn off the stove?
Hmm.
Oh, because he sucks. Can I just show the people that I can't even show the munchkins them the thing? And I'm about to put it on her plate. Are you done?
Are you done? Are you done?
Wait, I'm gonna take those because I feel like he ate them.
I got a little bit.
Can
I get your from
I was about to say.
Oh God, that felt.
We can go to the stove and get more.
I'm gonna go to the stove.
And then I'll put the bags of cheese. Actually, I can just make it for her. I should just press pause and make it for her, right? Because that would be the motherly thing to do. So
I'm back.
I'm
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Like we didn't have anything. How's his own loose now? Oh, it's not.
Because I had to add. I had added like pepper, like the chunky to like, cause you know when it gets too low. I'm sorry guys, I don't know what I was talking about before I pressed pause. So now I'm back.
Yeah, we're on a new conversation.
We're on a new topic. She don't have 3/4 no more. You know, I stocked her up.
Are we showing? No.
Look. Yeah. I know she was tight. Like, don't you take my chip with the chip.
I know she would.
I would,
Ebo, that's what you are.
but not. I guess.
If it was a bit smaller chip,
I apologize. Yeah, exactly.
you'd be
Smaller
like,
chip. I wouldn't have took her biggest chip.
like
But
this
if
much,
it was like
this
this,
much is a chip.
I'd have took it.
That's a whole
I'd
lot.
have been like,
That's a
ooh,
whole lot. I'm missing out on.
that's that Debo mind power.
I would have cried.
She wouldn't have cried.
I would have cried.
Because she would have had that shit.
No, because these are really good.
I wouldn't have took her big chip. She wouldn't have cried. It don't look like my plate got full again. Because it's there. I know I was all.
What season was last?
It's not fun. I already said about that. And I was all 12 to 16 minutes, y'all. But these nachos, when I said Big Nacho Challenge, just the Big Nacho Challenge. Never mind what I could eat. Like I said, I'm coming from the club. It's about to be done. You know why? Because I'm eating nachos with a fork. Once again, I hope you guys watch to the end.
Please do.
You know, I always shout out to my loves, my Mexicans, fellow YouTubers, subscribers. Speaking of, go check out Mama TK Reviews, Spice Life Vlogs, Jane Vibes, leave out the E, put a Z, Royalties World, Miss Kitty 506, Makeup and Marriage, SB, Muscles and Marriage, B Loves Life, Zaddy Chunk Chunk, ZCC CC Uncut, Miss C's Corner, Careful Keith, spell that careful with a K.
All the people we didn't shout out.
Shane,
Dawson.
My Ace family. Ace family. Drama Wilson. Drama Wilson music. Major hype.
Are you dumb?
Trinity J. Views on the road. God is truth. Oh, and you know, I have a couple folks I wanted to tell y'all about. I was trying to tell y'all about in the last video, but I was rushing.
You want to say about this video, but you're rushing too?
I'm not rushing. I'm trying to, I got a couple new subscribers. So I want to shout y'all out as well. Because I pulled my phone out to look for his name, and then I saw Careful Keith going live, and I completely lost focus. And I don't know where my cell phone is.
It's great.
He shouted me out twice already. She even commented on my last video already. Let's get this video. 15 likes, guys. Roll to 200 subscribers. That's what we on. I'm about to start getting these lives on ya. When I say these nachos are so good, I can't even focus. Like, I'm trying to remember names. I'm just like, taking another bite is so good. Taking another bite. Taking another bite is so good. Taking another bite. Taking another bite is so good. Taking another bite. Taking another bite is so good. Taking another bite. Why? Because it's good tonight. Why? Because the nachos is on point. Hey, and they hitting the spot. Hey, you know they hitting the spot. Hey, you know they hitting the spot. Hey, you know they hitting. You know they hitting. You know they hitting. They hitting. They hitting. They hitting the spot. It's New Year's, and I'm munching on these nachos, and I'm like, hey, yo, let me share it with my munchies, bro. Don't leave them out. Make sure you get to give those good old shout outs. Spread that love to your community. Make sure that they can see that it is you and me. Hey, 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 hey. Together we gon' grow. Together we gon' grow. Together we gon' grow. Together we gon' grow. Who know about that? Together we gon' grow. 80s babies. Together we gon' grow. Together we gon' grow. Yeah, I don't know. I can't tell because it's like a lag in my screen when I record, but I hope it's hitting all those music, music, music. I'm thinking of that guy. I'm thinking of this guy. What's his name? Oh my gosh. I know y'all know who I'm thinking of with the glasses, that era. Nakumo D.
You understand? I really want to.
That's why that's happening, y'all. Because her plate done.
That feels great.
You lied to me as you do. That's what I was thinking of. But I don't know why, because I was like, that's not him. With the jock strap, red patent leather. Hit me in the comments. Y'all know Spice, Night Vlogs. I know you know what I'm talking about. Mommy TK reviews. I know you know what I'm talking about. CC Uncut. I know you know. Careful Keith. I know you know what I'm talking about. Not you lie to me. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Not him. Red patent leather jock strap. That's who I'm thinking of. She said Key Sweat.
I could just be in the
These youngins. These youngins. Come on.
I don't like
It's like the original T-Pain, y'all. Oh. Oh, I'm so mad at my brain right now. Which is why in 2019 my resolution is to read more and absorb. Oh, fresh way. Come on, Neutrogena. Come on, Proactive. What's the other one? Clean and Clear.
Clean and Clear. Neutrogena.
Fresh.
Neutrogena.
That's fresh.
This is Freeman's Mostly Beautiful Face Mask. Clearing.
That's natural beauty.
That too. You know,
that's that vitamin D and melanin.
You know, I be trying.
I really wish I could recreate that moment for you, Noah Boa. Shout out to my little cousin Noah. Because I really want to. Come on, y'all. 500 subscribers. 200 likes. I'ma release the video for my little cousin. I'ma release the pepper sauce video. Because right now, I'm just too self-conscious of how I look in it. Like, I'm comfortable with how I look, but I'm not comfortable with the negative comments that I might get. You know what I mean? You still eyeing my plate, girl? Can I eat it? I refilled the plate, gave you more off my plate. Can I finish what's on my plate? I was about to give you more, but I can't. It's good. I want to eat it. It's good. I said, y'all, she not out here starving. I don't have to choose if I eat. Will she eat? I done fed my seed. And I gave her more of my plate. And I gave her more out the pot.
Nobody's attacking you.
I know, but it's so like internally, I'm like, I can't prepare. Internally, it's not
like enough. You don't have to be all victim.
It's so good. I'm not even trying to be a victim. You the one in the camera, like
you just sounded real
like she's like, not hungry. I gave her food. I feel like she's looking at my plate like she hungry, swollen belly in the Sahara Desert with the flies and stuff. That's the sound they make, right? This is why you gotta love up on your kids, yeah.
They can have sloth children and imitate their voice.
No, so you can have a real genuine. That's the Mac play grandbabies too. Don't you disrespect your grandmother with the fork, hold on. With the fork, I beat him. Because I'm already feeling guilty.
I mean, you're feeling full?
I don't know why I'm feeling guilty. Sorry. Oh, but like, real talk.
Do you feel full?
No, I don't feel full. I feel like I want to feel full, but I can't feel full because you keep eating my food. But then I feel bad because it's like, oh, that's your child. Feed her.
Feed my son. Put him on a plate. You gotta feed him.
Don't
touch my child. Don't touch my kid.
He a baby.
He has teeth. He's fine.
Even if he got teeth, I gotta.
No, you don't. You can see. Look.
My son didn't get that down. You better feeding the baby. A lie.
Yeah.
You ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie.
You know, lying got you distracted long enough to take a chip.
I watched you take it. You didn't distract anything.
No, I distracted you. No, I had you.
You really didn't.
I had you bamboozled.
Can't lead nobody astray or run anybody amok. I keep looking at myself instead of y'all, and I apologize. Just in case nobody else can say it for the day.
We love you.
Just want to let you know that I love you in a special way. Vanessa. Vanessa, come buck me. Vanessa, your crutches is suffering. Your crutches is suffering, Vanessa. Shout out UKLTV. Vanessa, I hope you checked your crutches for the new year.
New Year, same crutches. It's not a good vibe.
Shout out to you, Renee, for telling Vanessa about her dirty crutches. And telling her to come back to you. Shout out to Renee, no, Vanessa, for telling Renee that you were at Sister's event and that there were people in the event that had beef with you. But the people in there, they don't say nothing to you.
They say nothing to you.
So you're at Sister's event, come and buck you.
Come and
And shout out to Renee's sister. I was like, Vanessa, I beat your friend. I just whooped your friend. Tell her to come get her shoes. Yo, Twitter is so funny.
Yeah, I like the babies be comfortable. You know.
Twitter's hilarious.
You don't wear your babies like this. Not a real G.
I don't know about all of that. You know.
Look at how comfortable he looks.
You see? The stuff that 15 and pregnant is made of right there. If you don't cover your baby like this, you're not a G. Not my stink, because she's 18 and, you know.
Womb's empty.
There you go.
Speaking of, I have several days to... Oh my God.
Several days to what? She's trying to have me expose stuff out here. I just realized I'm pretty close to a half hour. I'm just telling you guys, we're going to make it mini mukbang times. And then what I do, I came with y'all with a mukbang meal. Shout out Missy's Corner. I'm just always thinking about you when I have a cup of water and a meal. And I appreciate that. So thank you.
Well, we're done.
And
look at my face. It's all smooth.
I'm not, but I'm going to be. Shout out to Soul for Tea. Shout out to my phone. What is it? Melissa. Life of or with Melissa Renta. I'm so mad. She's asked me. I'm not even just trying to get y'all to go and see it, but not my new hair video and not my video where I shout out Careful Keith. Like, you know, I have him in the video. The video before that. Check the comments. I got a new mob member, and she has the cutest video of her two sons doing her makeup. I want to tell you, just like Eva is a mother of a girl, it's her two sons doing her makeup. And you know, even if I had my phone right now, I'm probably sure I'd mess her name up. You know, I apologize for that, love. Excuse me, and it is because she is of, I want to say, Indian descent, Middle Eastern, something to that effect. I'm so sorry. Her name starts with a P. I'm so sorry. But if you check out like 3 videos, like, you know, not this video, the video before this, or the video before that, like that video before that, last long hair video, like the last 2 videos before this one, I had the short little Mitzi with Azia. joint going on, and now I have this one. So not this one with the long hair, or the last two with the short hair, the one before that. She commented on it. Check her out. And she had her two sons doing her makeup. And when I tell you the older of the two was getting it popping with that beauty blender, and then she was just letting the little one, the younger of the two, do the mascara and the liner. Like, you know how brave you got to be to have two kids, like young kids. I'm talking like 10 and 7. Put a tool near your eyes that they could write on, that they could mistakenly use, like, school paper pressure on. Like, like straight, and it was so cute.
All right, guys, I'm leaving because she won't give me any more.
OMG, how selfish. Says the one who puts the hell out of her fork.
Oh my God. I need more.
I hope y'all enjoyed munching with me.
Because we enjoyed munching with you.
We enjoyed munching with you.
I said that already. She be so hurt.
If nobody else can say for the day,
We love you.
love you. Who you are.
You becoming what this year has
Because you're becoming who you are meant to be. With or without that in your life. And you do it. Or something like that, because you ain't got that in your life. I only got that in my life. But you're doing it without bringing hurt or harm to yourself or anyone else. And I want to let you know that I love you and I'm proud of you. So you know you came here to do it. I'm not gonna let her stop that. You came here to do it. I'm gonna let you do it. We're gonna let you do it. Go on and do it. Shout out to Mr. Hotspot. Mr. underscore Hotspot for that one. Shout out Chrissy Daniel. I'm gonna stop shouting you out because, like, I gave you enough shout outs and I'm not quite liking your vibe, bro. This is a place of positivity and inspiration. But I see the changes in you, blood. And to each his own. So do you. And I want to acknowledge who I got the idea from, which is why I'm saying that. But it's just, 2019. We're not taking no whatever. So yeah, thanks for the end of the video emoji, which is a flower or a ghost. I don't know why I was thinking a ghost emoji. If you're still here, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you for watching it to the end. And yeah, bro.
Bye.
Be good.
Bye.
Careful Keith. Wish I could have met up with you. I speak it into existence for 2019. Collab with Careful Keith. Collab with my girl Missy's Corner. Collab with CC Uncut. And collab with the Queen. Be love me. Miss B Loves Life. Or Zaddy Chunk Chunk ZCC Crew. Or Tomo. Tomo, come on, son. I know you don't mukbang, but we could do a nice little haul together. You dress up Wick. I dress up my thing.
Put an outfit on him too.
With the schmello. And we get it poppin'. But I enjoyed you. Hope you enjoy me. And I will see you when? Where? Same YouTube channel. Same YouTube channel. See how the youngsters can't hang? You see how she ready to say bye?
I'm just concerned your video.
I'm just concerned on my video. Been a minute. Since I made it all the way to the end with y'all. Oh, give me more. Oh, give me more. and stuff on the stove. There's no more chips, but we got rice, beans, chicken, tomatoes, you name it. That's an Ella dad. She's so greedy, y'all. We about to get it popping. Look like intruders in this bitch. It's about to be a purge in this mother. Love you, munchkins. Bye.